How to make paper dolls GACHA puppet. Policy sharing today as ordered is an urgent one. Then a single owner asked for 2 more small magnetic queens. Superpowers plus some gadgets. Generally there is no need to add money unless it's extremely complicated. I ran out of paper recently. This brand of paper has run out. Replaced with new paper. Then it turns out that the paper was bought by my mother. This new paper was also bought by my mother. Then the one last time was very useful. Then everyone watched my last video. That rainbow sign. It just won't fade at all. As I was drawing, I felt something was wrong. It's probably a soft painting pen that touches stones. It is not waterproof. Then as you draw, you will discover that soft paint pen is a little dizzy. And if you apply the color several times, it will also cause dizziness more seriously. So now I am very happy. The one with rainbow hair. I finished the drawing and let paper first. Otherwise, if you want to use this paper to draw, maybe I won't be able to paint. I used to use that piece of paper to grind it slowly. Some smudged areas, I just gave it a few strokes. I'm afraid it will fade, but it's not that exaggerated. Actually, it's really not very useful. Already bought new paper. If I keep this paper for a few more days, I won't need it anymore. But I just happen to want to do something recently. For example, acne book or something like that. Just use this paper. I also bought that blue food pen, new soft tip acrylic pen I bought. And pencil pen. I bought another set. You can also use this paper to grind. See, I am really good at drawing blue fruits, but I can't grow them. Buy it and really want it. Do you want to buy it or do you want to scrabble? Draw them. There are 99 colors. It should be a good match. Okay, bye. for watching. Subscribe for more.